where is it?
Right? Do you know where it
It
is?
should be somewhere here. Maybe this spot?
I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is it.
What is it? Like, I can't really tell.
Supposedly they're pretty famous.
Really?
They're known for their 𝙔𝙤𝙣 agar cake.
Okay.
But what is that?
I have no idea.
Okay, but
Apparently they've been here, it says they've enjoyed 90 years of history. They've been here for over a century. That's crazy.
So they've been around for a while, huh?
Right? 4 generations. Okay, 4 different
Like 4
generations.
families?
Yeah,
4
4 families, 4 generations, right, of making these things. Should we go inside?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Wow.
Hey, 老板你好。
这个是我家做的羊羹，这个是茶的，这个是金桔。
所以这个比较特别，
对，
宜兰比较有名。
只有宜兰，宜兰的生产量比较多。那个金桔是宜兰的特殊的口味，不会很辣，有一种金桔的香味。尤其日本人他会特别到宜兰，然后到苏澳找百年很早就有的味道，就是买金桔。那还有乌龙茶有特别，
我觉得乌龙茶蛮好吃的。Oh my god. I'm not sure I'm fit enough for this, but I'd really like to check out the views.
Still a lot left, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
I think they said something like there's 7 different points here that you can go.
Oh,
And this, we were just at the second one, we're headed to the third one.
Right.
Right.
I really like the chocolate one.
It's
I
not
think
bad.
it's good.
I wonder why they're called yang-gung, because it has nothing to do with yang, right? Like, it's not meat, so why would they call it that?
I think I saw earlier on the shop there was the article, right?
Uh-huh.
And I think I read that back in the day they used the goat intestines
Okay.
to stuff the candy inside, kind of as like a skin.
Oh.
Yeah, that's because yang is goat, right?
Right,
So that's, I think that's where it comes from.
Okay.
Oh, see, that would make sense then.
Right.
Okay.
But I don't think they do that anymore.
Yeah, I hope not.
No,
Oh,
I don't
gosh.
think so. This looks like a platform. Little
Right. Little part of the way up.
point. Check it out.
I say we stop here. Take a look. Ooh. All right, it's
coming
raining.
down.
Yeah, we need
Okay,
to, let's go. We need to get up.
I can't. No. My legs are long. Wait.
Shelter.
Yeah, it's kind of nice that we got out of the rain.
Yeah, it's nice that they have these like pagoda kind of places that you can like relax in
Right.
case you're tired, but also like if you need to like escape from the rain.
Yeah, I feel like in Taiwan, wherever you go, like whenever you need to take a rest, there's always like a nice place to rest.
Right.
Same on the highway, right? I feel like the highway stops are really nice over here.
Yeah.
Going up all the different paths, all the different trails on different mountains, you always can, find a shelter like this to get away from, if you just need to take a break or you need to get out of the rain or whatever.
Yeah.
The view's nice though, huh?
Yeah. With the rain though, do you think you can still like surf? Do you think it's still safe?
I guess we'll just have to go to the beach and see how it is. Like, just have a look at the waves, see if it's safe, then we can go. But like, yeah,
Okay.
priority is that everything's safe.
Sounds good to me.
Let's do it.
Alright. Let's see. Let's see how it looks.
Oh, this is not bad.
Still a really pretty view, right?
I think over there is the harbor where we went to have the dinner last time.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
And I think over there, do you see the highway and the two tunnels over there?
Yeah.
I do.
I think that's where we went to the waterfall last time.
Oh, so that's where, okay.
I think so, yes.
Oh.
I really loved our competition yesterday. I think the scallion farm and bubble making experience gave me a different perspective of these foods and drinks that we come across almost every day.
You definitely appreciate them more, knowing the work it takes to make or grow them.
The night market was really fun as well. It reminds me of all the other times I went to the night market with friends. It's always fun when you have friends to play games with.
Says the gamer, but it's also great if you're going alone, because there's definitely something for everyone. If not the games, then the food.
Yeah, thanks for coming up with a very local punishment, Cody. It was, painfully enjoyable.
Not for Alyssa, it seems.
We made quite a trio.
Should we keep going up? We could like see even more. Like there's
You mean up
7
the trail?
levels. Yeah, there's like 7 platforms, and this is the 3rd one.
The 3rd?
Yeah, so we can keep going.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm worried that we'll get caught in the rain if we keep going up.
Yeah.
Oh.
I feel like the view here is pretty nice.
Right.
I'm not
Yeah.
even sure if we really have to go up even further.
Let's see
Right,
what's
so
in here.
how about next time? And for now, we just head back down?
Okay,
Right.
let's
Good.
do it.